In problem 4, it tells us Aaron walks from his sister's house to his cousin's house, which is a distance of 4 miles, and it takes him 80 minutes. It asks you, how far does he travel in 30 minutes? Remember, if it does not tell you that he walked at a constant rate, we don't know how far. So, I can't say for sure. If it told us, then we could solve it, but it does not tell us he walked at a constant rate. If it had told us, we could solve it by setting up a table, and this would say miles, and over here we could have minutes. In 80 minutes, he went 4 miles. If he walked at a constant rate, then in 40 minutes, he would have gone 2. So then in 20 minutes, he would have gone 1. And in 30 minutes, it would have to be halfway between 1 and 2, which would be 1.5. That would be the way you would solve it if it told you he walked at a constant speed, but it does not. So our answer currently is we don't know for sure.